Good morning. Today is Sunday, 21st December 2014. We are at the end of the year, and a lot of questions. I get always a lot of questions, different questions. Now, for me, in general, I answer almost all the questions, small questions, big questions, because when someone is asking, it means he needs an answer or she needs an answer. And I don't say there is stupid question or big question or whatever. Okay, all the questions for me are equal. Anyone who answer a question, I answer. Okay, my way. Okay, each trader, each professional trader has his way to do business. Now, one of the questions that I got is, what is the best way to make money in the stock market? Okay, this is a very, very big and general question. Okay, when you get an answer, it will be a general answer. Now, the best way. Now, this depends on the trader himself. Okay, I can't tell you, for example, use swing trading and you like day trading. I can't, because it's your choice. And you can make money from day trading. You can make money from scalping. It means just you stay just a few seconds or a few minutes. You do it very quick, and you can make day trading, like you stay half an hour, 1 hour, 2, 3, 4, depending on what is your time frame. You can do swing trading. You can do even investing. So all the ways you can make money. You can make money in options. You can make money in futures. You can make money in commodities. You can make money in forex. Wherever is the style or derivatives, you can make money. But all this depend on you and your experience in the market. Okay, and any style that you want to do needs specific criteria and rules that you should follow. You should develop these rules by yourself. No one will help you just for free to make money. This is non-existent either in real life or in the stock market. You can't go to, you want to be a doctor, a physician, you want to cure people, and you go to school and you say, okay, I want free education for these 3 years or 4 years, and then I become a doctor. No one will give you a free education. Now, you find online strategies, hints, ways for free. You can learn from them. But those, they are not enough to make the money, because making the money needs more than that, needs to know more. Okay, so as I told you, you can make money from whatever type of trader you are. Either you are scalper, or you are day trader, swing trader, or investor. You can make the money. This depends on the time that you stay in the trade. An investor should stay more than 1 year, okay? Because an investor, especially in tax, they tax, I think, 15% if you have profit, okay? So if you do trades less than 1 year, like swing trading or day trading or scalping, it will be an income tax, like, I don't know, 25%, 30%, or 35%, depending on your tax brackets. Okay, so it depends on this. Now, there are derivatives. It means if you don't want to do stocks, you can do options, you can do futures, commodities, or you do currency, which is forex. It means you should specialize in one thing. Okay, and you can't just go everywhere. You try this, you try this, you try this. It means you just waste your time, because if you succeed in one, for example, if you succeed to do stocks very well and you have money, you can go to others. You can go to options, you can go to futures, commodities, or forex, because you have a way. You have mastered the trade. It means you know how to trade, and then when you go to other things, you just try to calculate your risk. That's it, and you can make it in other. If you succeed in stocks, you can succeed in anything you do. Why? Because you know how to trade. This is the most important thing. You know how to trade. Okay. There is no, as I told you before, there is another video. Trading is math. It is not magic. If you are thinking about a magic formula that you take from someone and you become a successful trader, this doesn't exist. But there are strategies that you can learn, and it should be like a basic for all your trading. Okay, it's basic. It means you rely on them at first, but later you should develop your own rules, your own specific strategy that works for you, because any trader is different. Now, I will give you another thing. To make money in the market, you can do whatever you like. Some people they are following companies' earnings and the news. They can make money from that. Some people they do technical analysis. It means they use a lot of indicators. They use a lot of moving averages, and they can make money of that if they know how to trade. Now there are some people who, like me, I'm using technical analysis, but I am more a chartist than a chartist. It means when I look at the chart, it means I'm technical analyst, but for me I am a chartist. It means I look at the chart and I find a way to enter a trade and then to exit and to make money. This is my way. I don't use indicators or moving averages, and this is what I am teaching to other students. This is my way to make money, but other people, they like to use indicators and they are successful. Okay, some people they use company information and use earnings or other techniques. Some use patterns in the chart, just patterns. Okay, it means something that repeats itself many times. So people they get to this and they make money from this. So it is up to you to find a way to make the money from the market. No one will give you a way for free. They can give you hints, they can give you ideas, they can give you information, but no one shows you exactly what to do. This you should need someone to teach you, or you should discover it by yourself through many years of experience. But you need to spend some money, because you lose a lot until you understand the game of Wall Street. Sorry guys, always drinking coffee. Now, so in general, what I'm saying in this video is that any way that makes you the money, it is the right way for you. Okay? And if you take two traders, you will never find two professional traders doing the same. They can share the same some techniques together or rules, but each one prefers something. Okay? So it means that each trader has his own criteria to select stocks, to search for them, to select the stocks. How he does, for example, stop loss, how he follow a trend. He should know something about position sizing. Okay, he should know something about money and risk management. All these things, most of the professional traders, they have things in common. That's why they make the money. Okay, although they use different methods, different strategies, but there are something that it is common. Okay, if you don't know these things, that's why you don't make the money. Now, between a beginner and a professional trader is these things that you should learn. No one will give you these things for free online, believe me. When I was a beginner, I search and I search and I search. I go to meetups, to meetings, to other people. When I ask them the question, I have only one question: why the stock goes up and why it goes down? But no one answered me this question. Why? Because I asked a question at that time, which is a complex question. It's not an easy question, because any trader, I understand right now, I solve the problem after many years, and I find a way to make the money, because I understand that each trader has a vision of the market. Okay? Has a vision. It means he sees the market with a picture. Now, each professional trader sees the market with another picture. And beginners, they don't see the whole picture. They see small pieces of the picture. It's like a puzzle. Okay? It's like a puzzle. You take one part and you think that this part of the puzzle will make the picture. But that's why you just take part of it. So in order to make the money in the market, what you should do, you should have all the parts together to make the whole picture of the market. Okay? And Wall Street guys, when they make this stock market game, which is the biggest game in the world, because a lot of money being lost to beginners and goes to professional traders. Okay? It's like in the sea when we have a shark and small fish. What do you think? Do you think that this small fish will eat a shark? So a shark will eat this small fish. Why? Because of the power of money. If you have too much money in the market, you can play better than you have small account. Okay? So, and if you know how to trade, it's better than not to know what you are doing. Because the problem when you are a beginner, you don't know what you are doing, and you are searching for someone to show you everything, from searching the stocks, from selecting the stocks, from every strategy for free. And this is something illogical in the market or in life. For example, if someone has a business and he's successful, for example, your friend has a restaurant and he's very, very successful, a lot of people come to, a lot of customers, and he's making a lot of business. Suppose that you have the same business, which is a restaurant in another city or another part, but you are not making that much money. Now your friend, he will never, in general, he will never give you his experience for free. Okay? If you are working with him, maybe, but people, they don't like to share their money. Okay? Do this. If you want to understand this, do this. If you, for example, whatever your salary or hourly rate, can you just share, take half and you give it to poor each month, or to the homeless, or just share like this, or give your money? Yeah, you will never do that. Even if you want to spend $1, you begin to think, oh, I will spend $1. Do you have something in return? Okay? So why you think that you want other people to give you free money, and you don't want to give free money? Okay? This is the way life it is. Okay? This is the way life, and the way to do business is a complex thing. People who succeed, they lost a lot of money. There is no one who just slept at night. Someone guys at night, he comes to his dream and he give him strategy or rules, and in the morning he become to trade and he become successful trader. There is no such thing as dreaming and sleeping and waiting for the stock until it goes up. There is no such thing in the market. The market is very volatile. There are sharks in the market. If you don't protect yourself, believe me, they will wipe you out. Okay? They will wipe your money out. You come in the morning, you don't put stop loss, you find everything is gone from your account. You find just maybe your broker, if you use a margin account, he will ask you to bring more money, or he will take you to the court. Okay? So understand that the market is very complex and very difficult. So the way to make money is to understand how to trade. This is the most important thing. If you know how to trade, you can go to any style, anything, and you can make money. But for me, I'm telling you, since you can't understand everything, so you specialize in something. Okay? Specialize in something. For example, for me, I'm specialized in swing trading. Okay, I don't want to go to day trading or to investing. This is the way I feel better, because I buy today, at the end of the day, I put stop loss. Tomorrow, okay, if it goes up, I make money. If it doesn't go up, I change, I exit the trade and make another trade. That's it, what I do. Okay, I don't care what the market is doing, or the other index, what they are doing, or the whole market is doing. I am concerned with my stock. If the whole market is going up, and I buy stock and it goes down tomorrow, so I will be happy because the whole market is going up? No, I will not be happy because my stock is going down and I lose money. Okay, so try to focus on your trade. Focus on what you are doing. Don't see other people what they are doing and waste your time into chat rooms, into forums, into proprietary trading. I see proprietary trading. If you don't know, there are right now some brokers. What they do, they give you, they ask you to come to there, and they say, we help each other. There is nothing such to help each other. Oh, we are always all together, 200 or 1,000 traders, and we make the money, and we share information. No professional trader share with you where he goes or where he buys, or this is money. No one will share with you money. Understand that. So he will give you the idea that he will help you like a broker, and there are a lot of traders and they help each other. No, believe me, no. If someone has bought this, it happened always in penny stocks. Someone bought a penny stock like 10 cents, and he asked all the people in the chat room, oh, I found a stock that tomorrow it will go up, buy it. No, when you buy it and it goes up in the morning, he will sell, and that's it. He will scam you and he makes the money, and you don't make the money, and you lose your money. Okay, so understand that people or professional traders, they don't share their money. They want more money from you, from others, but they don't share. So take this idea, a naive idea, from your head. You are doing business, so understand that that it is business. It's not a game like when you gamble. Play here, you buy here. Some friend tells you, "Oh, that stock will go up." I read in the news that the earnings will be good and the company is good. The CEO is a nice, lovely lady, girl, and she is the nicest, or she is a model. Okay, these things, fundamentals that you are using. That's why you can't make the money. So the only thing which is the most important thing that I'm telling you is know how to trade stocks, know how to trade. You can make money in anything that you want, okay? In anything, scalping, day trading, swing trading, or investing. You should have this criteria, these rules: money management, risk management, stop loss, how to follow trend, all this in order to make the money. Okay? Without this, believe me, you will stay in the same, doing the same mistakes, 1 year by year, 1 month by month. That's why you don't see that you are making money. And you ask yourself, why I don't make money and some others are doing? It's just because your understanding of the market is so small. You think that you know a lot about the market, but your vision is not complete. You don't see the whole picture. Okay? When you see the whole picture, you can make it. Okay? So thank you very much for watching. If you have any question, as usual, just ask, thumb it up, send me a private message, and subscribe if you don't. Thank you very much, and Merry Christmas.